Haïti chérie, pi bel pays passé ou nan point. Faut moi te quitter pour moi te capable comprendre valeur. Faut moi te manquer pour moi te capable apprécier. Pour me sentir vraiment tout ça où t'es pour moi. Haïti chérie, li bel pays passé ou non point. Faut moi te quitter pour moi te capable comprendre valeur. Faut moi te manquer pour moi te capable apprécier.
Little Haiti, also known as Le Petit Haiti, is a neighborhood which boundaries lies between 54th Street and 79th Street and Northwest 6th Avenue and Northeast 2nd Avenue. It is located in what was historically known as Lemon City, Little River, and Edison. Little Haiti has become the cultural heart of the Haitian diaspora. There are many important landscapes in Little Haiti, and probably one of the most important is the monument of Toussaint L'Ouverture, the father of Haiti. This beautiful monument is located in the corner of North Miami Avenue and 62nd Street. The churches, markets, restaurants, and the culture center and various other establishments met the social and religious needs of the Haitian community. Today, the neighborhood is being sold off and carved apart along with the Haiti community and regional cultural identity. Local advocates are fighting back by pressuring city officials and influencing development. Little Haiti has been a place of confidence and stability for those trying to assimilate into American society. Some of the best-known landmarks of Little Haiti are the marketplace, the vibrantly decorated streets with murals, the place of worship, the Botanicas, the Great Haitian Creole restaurants, the Haitian Culture Center, the colorful houses, and the library. All these treasures make Little Haiti a vibrant and inviting community that blends the nostalgia of Haiti with Miami. Bienvenue to Le Petit Haiti. Welcome to Little Haiti.